bigyan po natin siya ng memento as souvenir sa pagiging guest of honor and speaker po niya. Dito po sa ating first founding anniversary ng Pilipinas One Guardians Incorporated. Palakpakan po natin ulit.
Bagay ba? Bagay?
At siyempre po, kung meron pong ating guest of honor and speaker, hindi naman pwedeng wala pong ating Grand Supremo. A plaque of recognition for his untiring support. So, isang magsigapong palakpak po para po sa ating Grand Supremo. Okay sir, thank you very much sir. Mag-unveil po ng landmark ng ating pong Pilipinas One Guardians Incorporated. So, may we request our guest of honor speaker, General Nicanor Bartolome sir, our Grand Supreme Godfather, and national leaders. National leaders, please witness the unveiling of marker.
Okay.
Ayan po ang ating marker. On the count of 3. Count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Ayan, no? Ayan. Sus. So, bago sa tayo magpapatuloy,
May